Recently, some PUBG or BGMI players have been complaining. Unfortunately, PUBG is stuck on the loading screen and the game is not loading. Now, if you find that you can't come to the start screen and get stuck at the loading screen, then watch this video to learn a quick way to solve these stuck at loading screen issues on PUBG. So, let's get started. First, you need to fix your internet issues to solve stuck on the loading screen. First, check your internet speed and stability. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. Open this app. If you find that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer option. Now find Graphic Drive Performance. Now find the PUBG apps. Enable System Graphic Drive. Now go back. Now tap Allow Screen Overlay on Setting. Now again, open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps. Search for PUBG apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission. Enable Files and Media. Enable Location. Go back. Now scroll down. Tap Battery Saver. Choose No Restriction. Enable all the setting. Now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear All Data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type PUBG, and quickly check for a new software update for a PUBG application. Now go back to your Open PUBG. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After the following process, please comment below if you still have issues with PUBG on your Android. Thanks for watching.